The exchange traded fund ETF or XRP has recently received some unfavorable information, which may indicate that it will not be released in the near future, which is better for XRP, this or this. This is going to be a discussion regarding the most recent XRP news as well as some estimates for its price. Please give me a friendly smile and click the like button. Now let's get started. Since the day when it broke through the trend line, which you can see below, the price of XRP has increased by 1.87%, and it is currently trading at 0.6097%. The rest of the cryptocurrency market, which saw Bitcoin break past 60,000 and show a high of 61,400, was able to come back a little bit, but now XRP has gone up along with the rest of the market. Is the fact that it moved from being up 6% the day before to being up only 1.8% today, while other assets kind of made up for the difference. The fact that XRP money flowed into it in the morning and drove it up was kind of like getting a sneak peek into what can happen. Later on that evening, we witnessed the rest of the cryptocurrency market engaging in the same behavior. That is such a fantastic thing. For the time being, I will make sure to keep a close check on that. When we see XRP move all of a sudden, would this indicate that the rest of the cryptocurrency market will begin to move as well? That is very intriguing. On the other hand, as you can see, the level of worry over cryptocurrencies has been quite stable throughout the course of the past week or two. Given this move to the upside, I believe that it is possible that this bounce will continue all the way to the 50 zone. Is that correct? Due to the fact that Bitcoin has once again surpassed $60,000, I am unable to lie because I enjoy large butts. It would appear that Bitcoin has been unable to move beyond this region, right? As a result, we need to keep a close check on this. Even in the event that Bitcoin returns to 62,800, it is still possible. Take a step back. The way things are now being put together might be continued. It is always difficult to make money in August because there is not a lot of money flowing around. You and I are the only ones who spend the entire day on the internet watching charts and documentaries about XRP and the cryptocurrency market. There are many others who are as crazy as we are. Alterations are possible. Everything can change in an instant. One day I would want to talk about this Arabic proverb. In the event that you are aware that this is where we are, right? Each and every day, honey and onion should be consumed. On the surface, it appears that the cryptocurrency market and XRP are enjoying a fantastic day today. It will be interesting to observe what happens now that XRP is worthless because prices are still going up regardless of what occurs. How about 60 cents? The highest point of the day was 61.40, right? Let's see if there is any XRP in this location. No, the highest point of the day was 6,149. I am going to create a chart because of this reason. Let's perform a horizontal ray only to be sure that the problem was confined to the immediate area. In the morning or afternoon in the United States, let's put XRP to the test and see whether it can make a comeback and break that record. Next, I will examine the subsequent level, which is the support area at 65, which is represented by this yellow line, to determine whether or not XRP is capable of breaking through it. In the event that you are able to maintain it at the same level, the price will shift and it may even move up to the 80s. The price of XRP, on the other hand, has been there before, reaching a peak of approximately $75 and then falling back down again. However, even if it breaks here, we need to be very careful not to sing the Pump It Up song for XRP. This is because we have seen this happen in the past and the market is still not there, right? While XRP has experienced its own unique kinds of changes that have occurred recently, right? Its movements have not been in step with those of the cryptocurrency market. At times, the value of XRP increases when the cryptocurrency market is not performing well, and there are occasions when it decreases when the cryptocurrency market is performing well. On the other hand, it typically moves in tandem with the market, right? In most cases, it is green when the market is extremely green, and it is red when the market is quite red. This occurs rather frequently. These are the algorithms, but it seems as though you have a lot of money, a lot of extremely large money. Everyone, not just the algorithms, is able to trade it. They are free to do anything they like. It's possible that it's retail large whales. To a large extent, the algorithms for XRP carry out the actions that are desired by the market. That is a circumstance that I believe to be interesting for XRP, and we will continue to keep a watch on it. XRP trading is something that our partner Margex will allow you to do in case you are interested. As this demonstrates, if you want to, you can do up to 50 times as much with XRP. Within the content that follows, there is a link. Long or short is an option for you. If you trade using leverage, you have the potential to make a lot of money, but you also run the risk of losing a lot of money in a short amount of time. When you trade with leverage, you need to exercise extreme caution. Both sides of the coin have been experienced by me. You can see that you have the potential to make gains of 220%, but you also have the possibility of losing everything. Pricing such as 50 times at 2%, and then bam, you're totally out of business, right? You must exercise extreme caution, yet a gain of 2% is a gain of 100%. The yin and the yang, often known as the negative and the positive, combine to form this. Within the content that follows, there is a link. Make sure to deal in a prudent manner. Many customers appreciate the fact that there is no need to go through the Know Your Customer process and that they can simply deposit cryptocurrency and begin investing. You can find the link for today in the text that follows. By using my link, you will be able to obtain some additional items. Take a look at it. Please, please, please engage in business in a shrewd manner. It is there in front of you for you to see the headgear. Over the course of some time, they have been a partner of the service, so I make use of it. Then I am able to make money and lose money. As you do, I wish for you to have more victories than defeats. Your chances of winning every deal decrease in proportion to the amount of risk you are willing to take. There is a little probability that you will hit a home run each and every time you are going to hit a strike out of the park. This is the current state of affairs. You must exercise extreme caution in order to avoid exceeding 100. There is no more money available. What's most important is that make sure to deal in a prudent manner. Additionally, over the course of the past week or two, there has been an increase in the frequency with which 1 billion USDT coins have been produced. When this occurs, it is typically an indication that the market is about to move. People are interested in purchasing USDT, which is evidenced by the fact that it is being made public. Cryptography, it is possible that this is an indication that the cryptocurrency market is also poised to become more volatile. On the other hand, just because things are heating up and Bitcoin reaches 62,000 or 63,000 or 63,000, this does not necessarily mean that we are going to break out of this situation. For the second time, you must exercise extreme caution. The number of fakeouts that have occurred is quite high, and it is clear that this has occurred at least once or twice. It's possible that this is the third time that we arrive in this zone. A word of caution, please. That is the information that. As stated in this article, the SEC settlement might pave the way for the XRP exchange-traded fund, right? And it is possible that this will take place. Despite the fact that there are a lot of things that need to fix, we observed today that the SEC halted the growth of the Solana ETF. As a result of their agreement, the 19B4 files, which would have initiated the approval process, were not brought forward. This is due to the fact that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC is exercising caution after having previously stated that Solana may be considered a security. It is currently possible to invest in exchange-traded funds ETFs for other cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Nevertheless, it is highly improbable that the present government will provide approval for a Solana exchange-traded fund ETF. There is a possibility that it will not take place until the year 2025, according to the experts. All right, and here's the thing, if it continues with its court action and motions, XRP will find itself in the same predicament as Solana. All right, you are aware that this is the reason why it is still considered a possibility, despite the fact that Judge Torres stated that it was that. The Securities and Exchange Commission CC, which is run by Gary Gensler, will not approve an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP anytime soon, despite the fact that the appeals process is still open. No, if Trump is victorious and the Securities and Exchange Commission has undergone a thorough transformation.